Hi fellow travelers, and it's me, your travel angel, and in this video we're gonna go back to the Independence National Historical Park and we're finally doing the walking tour. Yes, so we're gonna follow the footsteps of Benjamin Franklin and experience Philadelphia's history through his eyes. Let's do this! So we're here at the Independence Visitor Center. The parking is right behind me, and the tour actually departs at the Big Boss kiosk, which is right inside the Independence Visitor Center. And I think it's slightly across the Independence Cafe. So let's go inside. I'd like you to meet our tour guide. So it looks like it's just me and Edward, so this is gonna be like a special tour. I wish like we had more people, right? You know, it's nice to have other people on the tour as well. I think we're gonna start. Let's go. It's a 75-minute walking tour. Basically, we're gonna walk through Philadelphia's historic sites such as the Liberty Bell, Independence Hall, Betsy Ross House, Alfred's Alley, and more. And we're not gonna go inside the buildings, but we'll simply listen to our tour guide.
You had a chair maker at the Alfred's Alley Assist
and learn about the history of that specific site. But some of them you have to pay for the entrance fee. You can always go back if you decide to go inside the building and learn more about that place. This is why I love walking tours. Anything with tour guides, actually, you learn so much history about the place. So we had an amazing tour. We learned a lot from our tour guide, Bill. He was a very knowledgeable guide. He was funny too, which made the tour not just interesting or informative, but he was entertaining as well.
reminding us of who we are.
So I highly recommend that you do the Franklin Footsteps walking tour, even if you're not a history buff. I mean, seeing the historical sites is enough to make you want to do this tour. And by the way, you should also check out my Independence National Historical Tour video, where we went inside the Liberty Bell, Independence Hall, and so much more. But if you want to see more of what this city has to offer, hey, check out my other videos on Philly. Click on the link card or the end card when it pops up. And also like and share this video, and then subscribe to this channel and click the bell to get new video updates. Subscribe to my blog, mypurplepages.com. Let's connect on social media. That's at Angel's Video Diary. Remember, continue to spread positivity, and I'll see you next time. And here's what's next on the vlog. Now we're here in Washington, D.C., and I actually made a list of the places that we're gonna visit here. So these are the columns that I was telling you about at the picnic area.